Welcome back to Stephanie's channel. Okay, so we'll be today's gonna be still all about the pivot, how to create pivot on Google using Google Sheet, right? So you can see this is my data where I have the employee ID down to the exit date, right? So in pivot is literally about making the data more readable, right? And making sense of the data, right? Pivot table actually is a powerful tool which it calculates, it summarizes, and also analyzes data that let you see comparison patterns and trend in your data. That's what pivot is used for, right? And how do you create a pivot table? That's what I'm going to be showing you right now on the Google Sheet. So this is your cells, right? Click on insert, right? No, let's start from beginning. Take your arrow down here, means you've copied all, right? Click on insert, right? Look for pivot. Pivot table is really under chart. Click on it, right? Create a new sheet. If you create an existing sheet, you are going to be overriding this spreadsheet called the data sheet, right? So you do this, you create. Now can see you have a row and a columns, but they are empty, right? So remember, our goal is to summarize this data dump here, so give it a full meaning like a summarization, right? Now I want to know how many job description. I want to know, okay, I want to know how many males and where are they from, like the ethnicity, how many males, where are they from, and the department. So it's pretty easy, right? I'll go to my row. I want to know the gender, how many female, how many gender. For me to be able to know the gender, yeah, my role I have to click on gender, and to my values I have to click on the full name. The full name here comprises of the list of employees, right? So that's why I'm using the full name. I can also use the employee ID, right? But I said to use the full name. So my values, I use the full name. Remember, counts, using my counts. So it means we have 1,000 employees. So we have female 51, 515. We have male to be 485. For us to be able to visualize this, right? Want to know the proportion to visualize this? You click on this. You go to insert your charts. It's gonna give you this. So this is it. Sorry.